Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to talk about the Canary Pet and Grow a Garden Summer Camp event update. Okay, let's get into it guys. In this update, finally, season 6 in Grow a Garden has been released, and from the season 6 event, you will be able to get Canary for free. You just need to reach a level 2 and you will be able to claim this canary pet. And I'm going to show you guys what this pet can do for our garden. Okay, I'm going to place it and let's view the ability together. Okay, this is uncommon pet. Every 11 minutes, a random plant in your garden grows by 10.12 for every canary in your garden. Okay, basically it can boost your plant's growth, but it will be better if you also have some canaries, not only one. Okay, I think it's not really worth to keep in our garden, but since it's free, I think you can try it just for a while, just for fun. Okay guys, and that's all about the canary pet in Grow a Garden. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.